Bring up to mention a topic. She brought up an important issue during the meeting. Call off to cancel. The manager called off the meeting due to an emergency. Come up with to create or generate an idea. We need to come up with a new marketing strategy. Follow up to check progress on something. I'll follow up with the client next week. Look into to investigate. The team is looking into the customer complaints. Run through to review or explain quickly. Let's run through the presentation one more time. Turn down to reject an offer. They turned down our proposal due to budget issues. Get across to communicate clearly. It's important to get across our main message in the pitch. Set up to arrange or establish. Can you set up a meeting with the new supplier? Work out to solve or find a solution. We need to work out a new pricing strategy. Put forward to suggest or propose. He put forward an interesting idea during the meeting. Lay out to present information clearly. She laid out the financial plan in her report. Back up to support with evidence. Make sure you back up your argument with data. Bring in to involve or introduce. We should bring in an expert to help with this project. Go over to review in detail. Let's go over the report before submitting it. Get through to complete a difficult task. We finally got through the negotiation process. Look over to examine carefully. Please look over the contract before signing. Sort out to organize or fix a problem. We need to sort out these customer complaints quickly. Move forward to proceed with a plan. The project is ready to move forward next month. Point out to highlight or mention something important. He pointed out a flaw in the budget plan. Get back to respond to someone later. I'll get back to you with more details soon. Write up to prepare a written document. She wrote up the minutes of the meeting. Bring down to reduce costs. We need to bring down production expenses. Keep up with to stay informed or updated. It's hard to keep up with all the industry trends. Check in to update or touch base. Let's check in later to discuss progress. Go ahead to proceed with something. We got approval to go ahead with the project. Fill out to complete a form. Please fill out this application form. Hand in to submit something. He handed in his resignation yesterday. Keep to follow a schedule or rule. Try to keep to the deadline for this report. Note down to write information. I noted down key points from the call. Pass on to give information to someone else. I'll pass on your message to the manager. Follow through to complete a task. She always follows through on her commitments. Step up to take more responsibility. We need someone to step up and lead this team. Close down to shut a business permanently. The company closed down due to financial issues. Pull out to withdraw from an agreement. They pulled out of the deal at the last moment. Put off to delay. We had to put off the launch due to technical issues. Settle on to decide on something. We finally settled on a new advertising strategy. Wrap up to finish. Let's wrap up the meeting and go to lunch. Step down to resign or leave a position. The CEO stepped down after 5 years. Follow up on to continue checking on something. Can you follow up on that client request? Take over to assume control. She took over the leadership of the department. Hand over to transfer responsibility. He handed over the project to his colleague before leaving. Keep up to maintain performance. It's important to keep up with industry changes. Look after to take care of. She looks after the company's marketing strategies. Deal with to manage a situation. We need to deal with these client complaints immediately. Carry out to complete a task. The team carried out extensive research before the launch. Think over to consider carefully. Take some time to think over the proposal before deciding.